Do you know that you can make money online while you ditch the 9-to-5 job that is just wearing you out and getting you no closer to retirement? Are you looking for ways to make money online while you sleep? Worry no more. In today's video, I'm just going to share with you how you can start making money from the comfort of your home. If you suspect there's something you're interested in, by all means, keep on watching this video all the way till the end. So come with me, guys. Let's go. And the first one on my list is do you know that you can sell downloadable logo templates? Hey, do you know that selling logo templates on platforms like Creative Market or Envato, they can generate passive income for you? Small businesses are looking for quick and cost-effective logo solutions. Guys, when you offer those templates that are easy to customize, your sales potential will increase. Now, use flexible designs with universal themes like, modern minimalism, like vintage chic, that includes clear instructions and makes it easier for them to use. And guess what? Use social media to market it out. It's the secret weapon for attracting potential clients. And you can also make videos that are likely going to go viral and you're going to sell out, I tell you. And guess what? You can also use LinkedIn. Yes, LinkedIn allows connections with small business owners. And you can also use content ideas. Share the story behind a particular logo that you design. Use hashtags like logo design 2025 or branding, for small businesses 2025. Or you can also create tutorials on how to get money quick from logo design for small businesses online to attract small businesses that are looking for instant branding solutions. You can also participate in design contests, yes, for experience and exposure. You can design contests on platforms like 99 Designs or Design Crowd because they offer opportunities to win prizes while expanding their portfolio. You can submit your portfolio and also, take part in those prizes. Yes, and here is a quick tip for you. Choose contests that involve small businesses with specific needs like logos for, maybe local coffee shops or handmade clothing stores. Their chances of winning, your chances of winning is higher if your design aligns with the business character. You can also do online printing. Yes, there are products that you can do online printing for t-shirts, mugs, or phone cases. Now, each of these purchases generate a commission for you. And I'll give you an example. There are Christmas themed design for year end, or there are themed logos to attract classic styles. Branding packages, yes. Instead of offering logos, you can, or design alone, you can brand your packages to include other elements like cards, like social media kits, like brand guidelines. Small businesses are more attracted to comprehensive services because they're actually building a visual, business. They want people to notice their business. And here are some suggested pricing for you. You can start your basic packaging to start from $500 to $1,000. Your standard packaging can be from $1,500 to $3,000. Your premium package can be from $4,000 to $10,000. I mean, you can reach out to local bakery to use your logo, you can pitch it to them, give them different styles to make a professional impression. You can also license your logo. Yes, you can license your logo on websites like iStock, like Pexels.com, where people would give you credit for using them. Now, upload logos with specific industry themes, maybe like technology, food, or fashion, because a diverse portfolio will increase your purchase potential. Now, you can also create courses. Yes, so if you want to create courses, for people with experience, you can host your online logo design workshop. It's a quick and easy way to earn money. And there are platforms like Zoom, for beginners. You can use that. You can add that to your list of portfolio. Yes, the services that you offer in your portfolio. You can also generate additional income just by offering paid advanced classes. And you can also collaborate with small businesses, build relationships with small business owners through, social media or local events. And can also offer discounts for their first design, for your first clients, and then add those other services like logo animation, product packaging, design bonus as for your clients, just so that they can refer you to other people. Please create a website. A professional website creates that credibility that allows full control over how your work is presented. You have your portfolio, your testimonials, and it's able to attract small businesses that are looking for branding solutions. I did not mention this. You can actually also package something for, something customizable like this. Guys, guess how much I bought this with my name on it? I bought 3 of it for $200. 3 of this for $200. So you can just cups. So you can start to customize. I don't know what the cost price of this could cost. I don't know, maybe $10. But for the work they are doing, because Can you see the job? See, it's inside. I don't know how they did it. But they did it, right? And it stores water. I think it's a 1 liter cup. Yeah, it's quite big, as you can see. It's quite big, and you can use it for hot water or cold water. So you can design something like this, cups like this, and probably look for someone to, just create content around it. And guess what? You're on your way to making money. So basically, there are so many ways to actually make money from the comfort of your home, if only you are willing to try it out yourself. And just so you know, I discovered a website where you can do surveys, yes, research, and you get paid up to $1,850. I've been thinking of, sharing, because I checked everywhere online. I didn't find it. No one is talking about it. No one is willing to share. But I'm willing to share with you guys. So one thing you can do is to join my Patreon community. Yes, join my Patreon community. Find the link in the description as well as in the comments. When you join my Patreon community, you can book a free one-on-one consultation with me or a coaching session. It's going to be well worth it. I promise you. When you do that, I will show you the website where you can get up to $1,850 just for 1 gig. And there are other gigs too, $500, $1,200, $1,000. Yes, just research surveys. You don't have to leave your home. It's online. I'm telling you, you don't want to miss out on. You guys know by now that information is everything, and with the right, if you're armed with the right set of information, then you get ahead of your competitors. You actually gain that competitive edge over your competitors. And I hope that with these few points of mine, I've been able to convince you. I'm not confused that you can start to make money from the comfort of your home. At least I showed you that cup that I purchased. I purchased 3 of that for $200. It's something that you can learn. I'm sure YouTube is a free tool. Yeah, it's a free tool where you can Google, research where, how to create something like this. I tell you, and then you can showcase it in different colors, and then you're on your way to making good money. Imagine if you sell this to companies, you customize this for companies, and maybe they order 1,000 pieces from you. Hello, you are on your own, as in you have made money, and that could be just one-time gig, and then you have another, order. Imagine making 1,000 pieces per week. You are in money now. And you're doing one for maybe like $70. If you do $70 and you sell 1,000 of this, that's $70,000. Yes. So you see, guys, think big. On this channel, it's all about helping you become the best version of yourself, because the truth is, money is actually everywhere. You just need to know where to look. And the moment you know where to look, you will never be broke again. That's one thing I love about making money and becoming an entrepreneur, because you try this and then you get better. You try something else. Your creative juices are always flowing, and you're able to think of other ways to make money, and you will never be broke again. When other people are broke around you, you just smile. Or you just keep quiet. You don't have to say, no. Just, you just smile. And now we've gone past all that. So yes, I will fill you in on this channel. I don't know how to hold information, especially my Patreon members. Yes, I don't hold information. If you have any question for me, let's talk. Do you want to start a business? So if you want to start your business, I will be more than happy to help you, whether with the registration process. I'm not going to register a business for you, but I'll show you what to do, where to go, how to get it duly registered, the things that you need to do, whether you need a seller's permit or whatever you need to get your business up and running and start making money right from today. And I hope that you will take the next bold step, because I want to see all of you win and shine on this channel. This channel is not just about sharing videos, making content and you guys watching and moving on. No. I truly am interested in your growth and your progress. I want to see you win. I want to see you make money. And that's why I really want to know you and I want to meet you. What's your name? Let me know in the comments now. I don't see like this girl that I am seeking more check on. No, yeah. Introduce yourselves now, ain't it me? Let me know your name and where in the world are you tuning in from. And of course, if you have any questions, leave it for me in the comments. I'm more than happy. I'm here for you guys. And of course, I will see you in my next video. In case no one has showed you today, let me be the first to tell you that you're amazing, you're sweet, you're gorgeous, and I am so proud of you. Do not forget to also hit on the like button in case you have not liked this video. Like this video, share this video with your friends, tell a friend. And of course, I'll see you guys in my next video. Take care and bye for now. Love you.